Alright. Well, we have the betamax. Since I have a blonder tongue unit, I figured maybe it would be possible if I could record my own TV station with this VCR using the tuner. So, without further ado, that sounded wonderful. Without further ado, gotta tune it to channel 3. Oh, that thing is bright. Let's turn on the power. And I don't even, oh, that still has a problem there with the audio dub being glitched. Oh, look at that. We get a picture. This beta VCR has got that tracking issue again, where it speeds the tape up. It's nothing I can fix, sadly. So it's a problem. VCR seems to work. What is even in this? Canon forehead hi-fi VCR. Unboxing and repair, tuner repair. That's the last thing I ever recorded with this Betamax. Let me show you what the Canon, where the Canon is now. There's the Canon. It's buried upon junk. Yeah, the Canon stopped playing tapes and won't do anything. So, that'll be a repair video someday. But, let's hook up the transmitter and see if I can tune in the tuner to get my channel 3. It does work. It is affecting it, but alright. Also, it is tuned in the station. Okay. Well, we're on channel 3. We'll just turn off AFT off. And we're on tuner. We're off ETR. Let's do this thing. Alright, we should be recording a audio signal. Not a video and audio signal if the tuner's working. Which I don't even know if it is. It should work. Oh god, this thing is so bright. Oh god. Oh, it's broken. Fuck. I'm just gonna leave it be. I should be recording this TV station through channel 3. Hopefully. It's gotta receive the channel somehow, you know. Okay, let's hit stop and let's hit rewind. Okay. Here we go. Channel 4. This is a...
Can be fed easily from this handy container.
I didn't record. It recorded sound.
Something on it now and again. Or by using the convenient returnables, because life brings space. But heating no longer need be a matter of, with a complete ease, heating the home is as easy as lighting the home.
I don't think the tuner's working.
Electric baseboard heating and a lack of safety with the home. It also cools.
No picture. Audio only.
Summer or winter, a medallion home stays an even, comfortable temperature, no matter what the weather is outside.
I do know that the video obviously is working fine. The video record circuit's working fine because I've tested that. So our tuner is screwed. Interesting and lovely. 'Cause look, there's nothing. There's no picture.
Any number of wonderful work-saving appliances
See?
and tools.
No picture. God, this is so fucking bright. Yeah, I didn't put this freaking thing back together right. All the knobs are all freaking screwed. I hate these routines. It's like it's trying now. But oh wait, we can keep this in there. That can stay in there. Okay, well, we're gonna take apart the tuner. That's weird. Look at that. TT 2000 USA. But this is me in Japan, right? Well, this is in the tuner. This is your power supply here. Don't fuck with that. One of these connectors could be loose or dry. I don't even know what this is. Like, what could this even be? I couldn't even tell you. I think what I do know is that, I could. Didn't I? Oh, fuck, hold on. The bad thing this thing uses is Elna capacitors. Why do I have the piece? I put a piece of tape right here. I don't know why. But there's like Elna capacitors all out through this thing. I'm pretty sure these are Elna. Yep, those are Elna. Elna caps all over it. And I could recap it, make it right. In fact, I'm pretty sure that's what I did wrong. Yeah. Also, this don't look right. Oh, that looks freaking awful. Yeah, well, in 2019, I had poor soldering, so look at my work here. Look at my work. That's not even soldered in. So, that's a problem. What is this area anyway? This must be our video processing from the antenna to the tuner. Maybe. This must be capacitor. That's definitely not original, I don't think. These two are. That's a replacement. That means I have to take this whole fucking board off. Actually, no. Nope, I don't. I just have to take off these 3 screws. Alright, well. I found where I soldered. Take a look at this. That's where it would be. Look at this. Loose solder connection right there. Broken solder trays. And look at this. I was freaking lazy, so I didn't even bother. Wait, hold on, let me look at this. Oh, for fuck's sake, I better not have freaking tacked another capacitor. Oh my god, my work is so shit. What does this even do? What does that go to? It goes to there. I see the capacitor replaced. Audio. Oh, this could explain why this doesn't sound great. Well, look at this. Where is it? Right here. Look at this. Look at this right here. See? See the plus mark? And this is the minus. This is plus. And keep in mind, this is right where video out is. Well, look. Where that plus is, I freaking put in where the plus was. I put negative where plus is supposed to be. So this is probably shorted. This would also explain why the video goes out when I have a video input. So that's fun. That's got to get fixed. Because we ain't gonna get... Oh, that could explain why the tuner don't do bloody shit either. This probably connects to the frickin' tuner. Hold on. Well, I'm gonna, yeah. This is the wires going from, the VCR. See? To the VCR. And, if that's wired incorrectly, which it is, that capacitor is gonna fuck with, this. I think that's the connector. Yes, that is the connector. That's gonna fuck with that. Oh, how fun. Oh, fuck, I could have a shorted diode now, too. There's a diode right there. Oh, well, we'll see if it's, shorted. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Look at this right... Oh, wait. Hold on. I gotta find it. Oh yeah, right here. Look at this. Right here. See? Look. You can see my error. Plus, negative. I fucked this one up too. I think I've repaired all that I can with this. So I'm gonna put it back together and test it. Alright, we're about to test this. Hold on. That's new. Look at that. The tuner, it's working now. Look. See? Oh my god. Oh. This is fucking amazing. Am I actually gonna be able... Yeah, look at this.
Heating wire embedded in the ceiling eliminates the need for bulky, space-wasting equipment. And a clean, flameless electric water heater.
Look at this.
Of hot water for your family.
So the tuner is working.
Home,
So you can see it's actually set to what I've programmed it.
when you want to add appliances or other electrical equipment, even a new room.
See?
They're more more fun than ever here in the Hobby Center.
Alright, I'm attempting to record
with tools
on
and supplies that tuck away into the smallest possible space. Everything
on the
is accessible
VCR.
at the touch of a button.
I'm seeing if it'll record the TV show. Oh,
And is protected
it stopped.
by an electric
So now,
dehumidifier, which also helps keep the workshop dry. There's even a smaller version of the workshop for the kids. Designed primarily as a model building workshop, it's child-sized to help encourage the fun of building and creating. To complete the home workshop, there's even a paint spray booth. Equipped as he is with the latest in
let's see if we recorded some also. Look at this.
job that's too big for Dad to tackle. Of course, Total Electric Living moves outdoors to the patio easily and conveniently. Here's a new idea. A portable power pole that sets into pre-wired locations and lets you use your television or any of your appliances outdoors. If there are insects, but also cool the room in summer.
Oh shit.
There are
Look at this. Also fixed the tuner.
to give protection from
That fixed the tuner. See? Now I could just go through all the stations. Here's channel 3 that I programmed into it.
Because it's topped with Westinghouse micarta, it is stain and beverage resistant. Can be
Let's see if it recorded. I used the timer record function. Look at that.
Easier here too. There's an electrically warmed mirror that will never fog up.
That's the recording from the antenna.
Here is something
Just like it
truly
was back in the
remarkable.
old days when
An
analog
experimental
TV was a
wall
thing.
of light. It isn't on the market yet, but when it does go on sale, it will not only illuminate whatever room it's placed in, but also cool the room in summer and heat it in winter.
This looks good. Nice good recording. Picture looks good.
And outside, an electric exercise.
To prove that this isn't a fake recording, look. Stop. There's the other side.
Sliding wall here in the children's quarters converts one large area into two separate bedrooms at night. During the day, the wall slides
good.
back, and this becomes the child's education center. There's an electrical to encourage a study of the stars.
I think this VCR's got a problem.
In this house are provided for mentally as well as physically, with plenty of space to study or play.
Or it could be that.
Slide
I don't know.
projectors, the latest up-to-date maps of the world, and the whole host
Gotta
of
keep your
electrical
hi-fi on,
instruments
you know.
that help the eager mind explore nature's secrets, and incidentally, help with the homework.
Keep both of the